Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Autoruns on Windows 11 step by step. Autoruns is a powerful Microsoft Sysinternals tool that lets you view and manage everything that starts automatically with Windows, making it ideal for troubleshooting startup issues and improving boot performance. So let's get started. First, open Autoruns on your Windows 11 computer and allow it to run with administrator privileges if prompted. The application will automatically begin scanning your system and collecting startup entries from multiple Windows startup locations. Next, wait for the scan to finish. Once it's complete, you'll see tabs such as Everything, Logon, Services, Scheduled Tasks, Drivers, and more. The Everything tab shows every startup item, while the other tabs organize entries into specific categories for easier navigation. Now review the startup entries by checking details such as the entry name, publisher, image path, and description. This information helps you identify which programs launch automatically and whether they belong to Microsoft or third-party software. If you want to prevent a non-essential application from starting with Windows, simply clear the checkbox next to its entry. This disables the startup item without uninstalling the application, allowing you to re-enable it later if necessary. Be careful not to disable Windows system components unless you're certain they're not required. You can also right-click any entry to view additional options, such as opening its file location, viewing its properties, or searching online for more information. And that's it. You now know how to use Autoruns on Windows 11 to review and manage startup programs more efficiently. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.